Welcome people, pick up on yourself. Welcome back, thanks for tuning in. Yes, and I see me trim up now. I look like somebody picked me again. So in this video, we are talking to people again. And we are talking to, in this one, we are talking to
Kimoya. Hi guys.
Kimoya. So Kimoya, what go on? How you reach down Negrilla Richard Brown Films? Tell me where you come from first of all.
Well, I am from Kingston. We're in Kingston, Augustown. You know, most people know Augustown.
Oh, see.
Yeah.
So you reach down here?
Well, I've been to watch Richard Brown Films and a friend of mine texted him and asked if we could be a part of his movies. And he said yes.
So hold on there, pause. Where next lady there? You can't come now, forward. Where next friend there? Carry come now.
She had one scene up the road.
Oh, she had one scene up the same way. So,
My scene done.
your scene finished? And the next thick girl too?
No, she had a fair one now.
Oh, Zine. So, sorry about that. Where were we?
Yes, so him reply and ask where we're from and such and such and them come to Kingston, I will shoot one video and then them say them we in a more video how to come and Negril. And so here are we to do more videos.
So tell me how the whole experience.
Well, it's when them come to Kingston it would have been my first time behind a camera.
I mean, in front of the camera.
Yeah, in front of the camera. Sorry guys.
Yeah.
In front of the camera. So now me and Negril me experience more because we are do more than one video. Yeah.
So you shoot so far?
It alright. It great. Excellent.
Experience is excellent.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So you done no acting before now?
No, I never act before, but I can act. And my parents them always them for going to drama, but.
Alright, you can act. Let me see if I can find one personality give you and you play out that personality there. Alright. Act as if you were a Jamaican policewoman. I talk to me. Me I taxi man. I talk to me.
You can give me something easier?
Easier, something easier like that.
Alright.
I can't bring a friend now, she just there over one side. Come in and have video with her. Where you drink? Where you drink?
Orange juice.
How you know Richard Brown Films?
Same thing as what she said. I mean, in text him. I am the friend of hers that she did tell me so we text him.
Oh, so you did the texting? Oh, Zine, everybody meet up at Kingston. Oh, Zine. So first time you do no acting? First time you act?
Second time.
Second time?
We filmed the first one Kingston, Red Hills.
Oh, Zine. So the movie them name wanna act?
The first one we do it near Friend Zone, not finished yet.
Friend Zone.
Yeah.
And what is it about?
Well, I was a baby mother and my baby father wasn't minding the baby, so I cuss him.
Jaja.
Really bad.
Jaja God. So people wanna look forward to that movie there. So I say over here so we're full of attitude. This is our first time I act.
No, my second. Remember I act with them at Kingston?
No, I mean before Richard Brown Films. Oh. Yeah. So, the police woman.
Police.
Yeah, man, so you stop me now, you want to give me a seatbelt ticket.
So you say me for ask you license registration. That's it?
I don't want on the camera for me, give you a little impression. Because I try the acting thing myself, you know, so you point the box for me and hold on on this until you see me coming out. Focus or until it turn green. Good now? So, alright. I'm not going to do the police, woman, I choose something else. But what I expect from the police is that, come sir, give me your license and registration. Not drive on government road like you are phone. Give me papers them. Come. As a matter of fact, which way if I, you know, I'm going to write the whole book in there, so. Something like that, you see me? So I can give me one character now. Where you roll like
A policewoman.
No, you can't. No, I give you that hour like I'm going to do something different.
Do something different as in like.
Let me see, I know. What kind of character I could I get? Oh, I think as that I come.
An igla.
Alright, go on. We see what go on. Go on.
So what mood I say now?
I know what you sell, you know. Come, not even be time I don't talk, I'm supposed to buy anything what you sell.
Ready?
Ready?
So Trucker, come get a trucker. Truck yourself before the man truck, yo. Yeah.
Hold on there. No, sir.
What she say? What she say?
Must I sell choker?
No, she says choker, get a choker before.
Trucker. Get a trucker. Truck yourself before the man truck, yo.
No man, come on, deal with the thing serious. I sell some panty and jeans pants
I'm
and...
not a panty, I'm not a jeans pants.
But of them they are sell?
But I don't have any panty.
What going, sir? What
Oh
going?
yes, brown man.
Father Larry in the place.
What go on? Like one just done do a scene up or something?
No, sir, I never in the scene though.
Oh,
No, sir, Bonnie done.
some of there attack with... Wow?
Bonnie done Alton AJ. I don't remember where actress the name. I remember.
Some of there attack to them
What's your
still.
Danica.
Danica or Miss Danica?
Danica.
Danica. Alright.
Some of there attack them and find out how them book Richard Brown films. Be a thing me see I go on with. You still no piece from me yet, you know?
Oh, ready.
Hi miss.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name? Danica. How you reach down at Westmoreland and Negril?
No, say, sister link me still.
What are your sister? Who are your sister? Browning?
Here.
Oh, cool. So she link you up with Richard Brown films?
Yeah, the day before yesterday. This good? I'm coming from.
No good.
No, why no? I can't. Look like I didn't pick up on the back of the car. But anyways, yeah.
I'm coming from Portland, east side, you know?
East side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come away, but it was a long journey still.
So hold on there. Your sister do the link up and then you just forward a nigga and come do some acting. Okay, cool. So you do not acting yet?
Like, no?
Yeah, well I'll go alright. So where do? Tell where do?
I'm going to look for my son because my sister stay with him.
Yeah, talk low though. I'm not even can hear like your shot.
I'm going to look for my son,
Mm-hmm.
sister. They stay with my sister, so I'm going to look for him. Check up on him and see if I'm alright.
So alright, how was the show really about though? You are who are you in the movie?
Well, I'm just a girl that...
Hold on.
We can't say that.
Hold on, I will text somebody man. Nice show. Aria and mommy nice show.
Mommy.
Yeah, the good girl not the show, yeah, bad
Yeah,
girl.
the two of them. Where I come?
She a good girl and bad girl.
Two of them.
Alright, cut now. I have to cut now. Look, come on. So,
You have a camera on the girl, Batty.
Batty look nice.
Keep on my Batty.
Come on, come see if you know.
Batty big enough.
Intellectual, murder people edition, kaka. Hey.
Behave.
Hey.
Behave yourself. Me can't. Which part we did there? We get distracted a while ago.
Life stills. Me there for just 2 days. And me enjoy myself.
Yeah, enjoy yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Same with you, eh? You look reserved like I'm
Come on
doing.
for the laptop.
So go on normal.
Just like going now. See, I pick up the chat already.
Down here nice, although a lockdown time, but they make you feel, who come to, they make you feel comfortable. And
Mad. How are you there?
Yo.
Forward in that place, man. Teeth are going like, you know, I'm forward, you know. So, thank you to people, you see? I cuss myself, I got trim, I got trim now. Look like somebody pick me again. Yeah.
Oh.
I see great papaya come around there, so.
Who?
bye.
When your father come?
Hey, baby father?
Yeah,
When that man in
him and your father and your friends on. I'm telling you about the choir guys.
Uh-huh.
That man in Pitney.
Cha.
Yep.
Papaya,
Booyah!
me say now mind up it now.
Oh,
Yo.
nobody can say that.
Hey!
Come on, my youth.
Him walking like a galley. Oh, nobody can say that. Not even on the net.
Alright.
Sit down, come here.
Name AJ.
Mm-hmm.
My party movie name AJ no.
Can I gun finger that I roll up?
Oh. No said none of them the movie me I put up you know.
Okay.
Yes.
Want your father.
Go and shop to me.
Let's go on now, man.
Yeah, people, so as you can see, couple new faces. Zoom in too much. Couple new faces there on Jamaican City, Richard Brown films I'm out shooting. And as me always tell you, as it relates to the running aspect of it, who act, who but they shoot, like me don't know nothing about that. You see me? Just come through, see what I go on like any other normal person, capture it with my camera and show you. You see me? So I see some new people around the place, some shooting are going. I'm not getting behind the scenes because when I'm not shoot up there, so here I never really conducive for them behind the scenes. So just wait till they finish, go and talk to them and yeah, just go on normal.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
To the world, one love.
And remember people, subscribe to the movie channel. Still I work on the movies, but I don't know my conundrum already. So yeah. Also I go on at the studio before I actually shut off the camera though. Nothing I want to tell them, me on a YouTube channel. Nobody on a YouTube channel, no Instagram.
Love for no do, love for no.
Alright my boss.
Always love. One love.
Okay, but boy.
Well, people, thank you guys. I understand. Thank you for subscribing. The subscriber channel is growing.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah, man.
No, for the party, what time for the